names are Emily and Jasmine. Our project is on seeing if the cereal will stick to the magnet. If the cereal sticks, then that means that there's iron in your breakfast.
Our title is called Eating Nails for Breakfast. That means that there is iron in your cereal and iron is metal.
The materials we used were cornflakes, Captain Crunch, Honey Bunches of Oats, a bowl, and a magnet.
Our hypothesis was if the cereal sticks to the magnet, then the cereal contains iron because iron is metal.
The steps we used were, first we crunch the cereal, and then we we put the magnet on top of the bowl, but without touching it to see if it can stick.
The results. After the experiment, we figured out that Frosted Flakes work the best, even though it only had 25% of iron in it. Captain Crunch also had 25% of iron in it, but that one did not work. Honey Bunches of Oats had 50%, which was the most, and it still did not work as well.
Our conclusion was the cereal that had the least iron in it was the one that worked the best. The one that worked the best was Frosted Flakes. The one that did not work at all was Captain Crunch. Even though Honey Bunches of Oats had the most iron in it, but did not work as well as the others.
We found our reference was www.seedspangler.com.
If you had to do this experiment again, what might you do differently?
Maybe use different types of cereal and maybe get a different type of magnet.
Why would you choose a different type of magnet?
Because maybe we can see if it lasts stronger than the other magnet that we used at first.
And maybe the one we used at first was not as strong as maybe some different ones, like if we could find a horseshoe one, maybe that one would work better.
And what type of cereals might you use the next time?
Well, I would use Fruit Loops maybe.
And maybe a cereal kind of like Honey Bunches of Oats, maybe just a cereal that has more iron.
And maybe like a fiber cereal that has, like, for example, the Kellogg's.
Okay. Do you have any reasons why you would choose those cereals? What you might want to find out about them?
Maybe a cereal that has like maybe copper, how that one has copper, and cereal with more iron.
All right, thank you. Is there anything else you'd like to share with us?
Where we found all of our resources and all of our facts was SteveSpangler.com.
Very good. Thank you, ladies.